Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam. Therefore, Shankaracharya theorized this. Brahma Sattva Jagan Mithya. Brahma means the soul is actually the fact, not the material manifestation. Material manifestation, of course, he says false. We don't say false. We say temporary. So our main concern is that I am not temporary. My body is temporary. Now I am working for the body. That is illusion. Aham mamet. Then what is real fact? Real fact is that I am spiritual particle and the whole spirit is Krishna or God. Therefore, as part and parcel of God, it is my duty to serve God. That is spiritual life, bhakti yoga. That is called sarupa. And in another place, the Bhagavad-gita confirms it, that sagunan samatittayitan brahma bhuyāyata. When I realized that I am not this body, then immediately I transcend the three modes of material nature, satagun, rajagun, tamas. Under the bodily concept of life, I am influenced by one of the modes of material nature and acting. The Bhagavad also it is stated, Taya sanmohita jiva atmanam tribunatmakam manute anartham. So, because I have accepted this body, which is made of either of the three modes of material nature and identified, therefore I have created so many anartham. Anartham means unwanted things. Tayacha abhipaddate. And after creating in bodily relationships so many unwanted things, I am absorbed in thought. That I belong to such and such nation, therefore I have got my duty to do this, do that for the nation, or to the society, or to the family, or to my personal self, or to my wife, my children. This is according to Vedic concepts and life. This is illusion. Aham mameti janasya mohoyam. Moha means illusion. I am creating illusory circumstances and becoming entangled. This is my position. But my real objective is how to get out this illusion and come to my original consciousness, Krishna consciousness, and then I give back. Krishna consciousness means spiritual body. As soon as I act on the basis of my spiritual body, that is called liberation. That is wanted. Then I live blissfully in eternal life of knowledge. That is my problem. But people are being educated on this bodily concept of life, and they are creating problems, and in order to solve the problems, they are becoming entangled in sinful activities. And just like this morning we were discussing about killing the baby's body within the womb, abortion. Because we do not know that the soul within the body of the baby, that cannot be killed. That cannot be killed. But that is also explained. The one who knows the eternity of the soul, he does not kill anyone, neither the soul is killed. But we are creating problems. because the soul has taken shelter in that body and the so-called medical science advise him to destroy that body, that means he is becoming entangled. The person who is advising understand that one gentleman comes here, his wife is a medical doctor, and her business is to check the pregnant woman and advise whether the child should be killed or not. This is the business.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama.